Don't worry about it, just let it go. Well, number one useless advice, at least on my list, I really truly dislike when people say that. And this is not the reason why I called the video Let It Go. I'm not going to tell you that. Instead, I'm going to guide you through the breathing practice with the same name, Let It Go. But this practice actually works. Do you recognize that sensation of upcoming anxiety and the fear? You feel angry at work or at home with your loved ones and your friends. You just need to let go. You need to refocus. You need to close your eyes, open them, and be in the moment where everything is at peace. It's really difficult to do. In today's short breathing practice, will show you how to get from A to B without creating a conflict, without aggravating that sensation of fear and anger and all negative emotions. Breathing techniques can trick your brain and help you to let go, help you to relax, feel more grounded, and get rid of that monkey mind and internal chatter. This practice, I call it 3-step practice. You'll be inhaling first in our belly, half of inhalation, then in our chest, and then we let everything go through our mouth. Find a seated position, relax, close your eyes. Just scan yourself for just a few seconds and see where is that sensation of negative emotion is located. Is it in your chest? Is it that lump in your throat? Is it somewhere in your mind that you feel that your facial muscles are kind of spasmed and you're trying to relax, but it's just so difficult? Just scan yourself, just recognize, accept what's happening, and we'll start breathing on the count 3. 1, 2, 3. Continue breathing in this pattern. Don't stop. You're working with your diaphragm. Your first breath expands your diaphragm, your ribs. The second breath happens a little bit higher in your chest. And then you're pushing all the air out through exhale. Continue on. On the exhale, you open your mouth and let all the air out. Continue on. You might feel a sensation of dizziness or tingling in your fingers. It's completely normal. You might feel a little bit lightheaded. You're sitting. If you have a couch behind you, you can relax your back, your spine on the couch. You might feel the energy going up and down your spine, like a little ants, a little tingling up and down. Continue on, and you can bring your arms up. Bring your arms down, let everything go. Feel the sense of relaxation in your body. Let everything go. Inhale very slow, the chest into your throat, and then exhalation, inhalation through the chest, through the belly, exhalation through the chest all the way out. Bring all the arms, both arms up. Exhalation, arms down, relax, move your chest back and forth. You might feel that the temperature is dropping. Tingling sensation in your body, in your hands. Move your body back and forth in the circles, starting to the right, chest forward to the side, to the back, to the left. Continue inhalations to the chest, to the belly, and exhale. The belly to the chest and exhale. Move the direction to the left. Your body goes in the front, to the left side, back to the right. One more time. Circular movement. And long inhalation, arms up. Arms down, let everything go. One more time, arms up. Long exhale. You can stay in the seated position, continue your meditation. This practice was calming practice. You're letting everything go, all the fear, anxiety, all the worries. You're leaving everything behind and calming your mind and body. I'm so happy that you joined me today for today's practice. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, follow my channel, click subscribe at the bottom. Let's be friends. Type the word energy in the comments. Ask your question. Let's connect and work together. Namaste.